Hi! Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So in this video guys, is magre-review ulit tayo ng isang lending application na kung saan ay nagpapautang daw sila ng up to 8,000 pesos. Ayan. So before we go on guys, sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe dyan, mag-subscribe na, i-hit ang bell button para ma-update kayo sa upcoming videos and tutorials. And mapabilang din kayo sa mga upcoming na pag-giveaways natin. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So in this video guys is i-review natin ang isang lending application na nagpapautang up to 8,000 pesos. And ay sa kanila application guys, sabi dito na loan amount 1,500 to 8,000 pesos. And loanable or loan limit nito, loan period 120 days or 150 days or 210 days. Ayan. Interest rate of maximum of 18.25% per year. Ayan. So, by the way, ang lending application na ito ay si Peso Cash Safe Online Loan and powered by My Loan Lending Investors Incorporated na meron silang 4.5 na stars and 113K reviews. So, bali hindi na to bago sa Google Play Store since ang dami ng ratings, ang dami ng reviews. So, medyo ang dami nang gumamit dito. So, let's see guys kung paano ang loan application na ito. Alright guys, so sa pag-download nito guys, is syempre makikita natin ang Peso Cash statement. Ayan, so kailangan natin i-agree para makapag-proceed tayo ng step by step, okay? And next dito is bigyan natin sila ng permission sa ating location, SMS, application, camera, calendar, and yun na guys, at kailangan natin silang bigyan ng permission, i-agree natin or i-accept natin para makapag-push through tayo. So after which guys is hihingin nila ang ating phone number kasi nga magsasend sila ng phone or ng verification code. Ayan. And then, pansin nyo guys, sa baba niya guys, is meron yung Republic of the Philippines, Securities and Exchange Commission. So, bali, ang loan application daw na ito is registered sa SEC. Pero sinasabi ko sa inyo guys na hindi po lahat ng registered sa SEC is goods and okay na pwede nating utangan. So, after which guys, is kailangan nilang kunin ng permission sa ating location. Ayan. And then, after which is, ito na guys, sabi dito, maximum loanable amount of 8,000 pesos. And loan period, 120 days. And then, sabi dito, application convenience, fast approval, and standard rate. Ayan. So, get credit na tayo. Ayan, so kukunin nila ang ating information for sure. So, first thing first is ating surname, given name, middle name, optional yun guys, kaya kahit huwag na nating ibigay. And then, birthday, gender, marital status, educational background, and our Gmail, and then Facebook page. Ayan, and then, how many bank card do we have? Ayan. And then, click natin yung next. Ayan. And then, ang ating current address, detail address, residence status, either yung rented or own. Ayan. And duration of stay. And then, click natin yung next. Ayan. After which, guys, ay meron silang pa-reminder. So, sabi dito, applicants need to ensure that the emergency contact is aware of their lives and obligation to the applicants. For example, when the applicant's information is verified, account security or breach of contract and other risks occur, Peso Cash can contact the emergency contacts. Ayan, so, binibigyan tayo ng parang reminder or warning na yung mga ibibigay daw natin na contact reference is pwede nilang kontakin in case po na hindi natin or hindi tayo makontak ng mga agents. Ayan. So sila, nangangailangan sila ng tatlo guys na person references. Ayan. So, next natin guys, and ito na yung mga kailangan na ID. Ayan. So, unit IDs, SSS, national ID, driver's license, passport, postal, PRC, voters. Ayan. So, syempre, pili tayo ng kung anong available nating ID and then upload natin guys, and then picture ng ID, and then yung pa-selfie ni Mayor. Ayan. So, after which guys, sabi dito, agad-agad, o diba? Approve agad. Credit result. Credit amount of 4,000. Wow, 4,000. And you can get the money by filling in the job information. So, click natin yung fill in para yun na nga at makita natin yung or makukuha natin ang loan. But by the way guys is meron na naman dito yung pa-permission sa ating account kasi nga kukunin daw nila or kunin lang information ng ating job information kung anong job natin. Ayan. So, personal or business, ayan, company, industry, job type, position, level, duration of work, monthly income, ayan, address ng company natin, ayan. So, after which guys is yung job, yung mga proof, like yung Waybill employment ID, employment certification, or yung tax return. So, pwede tayong upload ng kahit isa dun daw, okay? So, click natin yung submit. So, ayan na guys. Ang ating approved na amount is, charan! So, 1,500 to 30,000. Wow, 30,000 yung ating maximum. And loan period of 150 days to 180 days. Daily interest as low as 0.05%. Ayan. And kay Peso Cash guys, is meron tayong option na kung saan ay pwede daw tayong mag-loan or second loan ata ito. Kasi sabi dito, more products to loan. Ayan. But, sa aking palagay guys is, kailangan nating magbayad. In case na utang tayo sa first na loan, is magbayad tayo bago ma-unlock yung second na loan. Okay, so ating loanable amount on the second, pag nakabayad na tayo is 35,000 pesos and loan period dito is 160 days. Ayan, so since nakakalak siya, ito ang ating a-applyan, yung nasa unahan. Ayan. So, SMS permission disclosure. So, kailangan nilang mag-send sa ating SMS. Ayan, so agree with. Ayan, so here na guys. So, makikita nyo sa screenshot, 4,000 pesos. Credit amount and loanable 150 days and due date, 4,278 pesos. After which guys, after na nilang ipakita yung ating loanable amount or ating credit limit, ayan, is may pa-selfie na naman sa pagse-selfie and then yung collection method na. So, pwede natin kunin either yung e-wallet, bank, ayan, and yung purpose ng ating loan. And after which guys, ay ito na yung computation. Charan! So, credit amount of 4,000 pesos, 150 days, and yung credit assessment fee, 280, platform, 480, and then payment expenses, 320, transfer fee, 130, and yung marireceive natin guys is halos half na siya. So, 2,790. Kasi ang interest nito guys is 378. So, pag mag-due tayo is 4,007 or 4,278. Pero hindi po siya loan within 150 days kasi ang loan term ito is only 7 days. Ayan. So, 7 days lang po siya guys. Ayan. And sabi din dito na you will pay on 2 schedule. But then, sa first schedule is halos bayad na po tayo. And sa second schedule is yung interest lang niya. Ayan. So, ayun po guys. So, pag-isipan natin bago natin pasukin ang isang loan application or bago tayo mag-apply sa isang loan. Kasi nga, hindi po natin sure kung talagang yung 4,000 pesos is makukuha natin at least man lang 3/4, ganyan. Pero dito po guys, halos half na ang bawas. Ayan. So, that's it our review for today. And I hope na nakatulong sa mga naghahanap ng review tungkol sa loan application na ito. And I hope na nakatulong din sa mga naghanap ng mga utangan. So, sa mga nakasubok dyan guys, please comment down below kung okay sila sa inyo or hindi. So, that's our video and thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye!